the clearance on the passenger side.
Clear. Clear. Lowering now.
Perfect fit.
Check the clearance by the manifold.
Looks good. Aligning the tips now. Make sure they're centered.
Roof rails are secure. Running boards aligned and tightened. Skid plate secured. Final check.
Watch the clearance on the left side.
Easy now, keep it coming down.
All right, it's seated. Hand me the bolts.
Rear panel film is complete. Interior protection secured. Excellent. Final inspection passed.
Like, subscribe, and stay tuned.
This video is generated for educational purposes using AI tools. The script and ideas are inspired by public info and competitor concepts that are written using AI to ensure originality. Visuals and animations are AI generated using VEO3, Meta AI, Grok AI, and editing. This is done in CapCut. We do not copy or use any other creator's content. This video is informative only and does not present AI visuals as real footage.